From counting apples to solving puzzles, it all starts with a simple operation. 4 basic arithmetic operations. Addition. Put together. Subtraction. Take it away. Multiplication. Making groups. Division. Share equally.
Some riddles on arithmetic operations. I grow numbers really fast. I double, triple, make them vast.
Multiplication.
Okay. I break things into equal shares. I split and make things fair. What am I?
Division. No.
Yes, it's a division. I take things away. I make numbers smaller every day. I take the things.
Subtraction.
Yeah. I always make things bigger. I love to bring together. Without me, numbers stay apart.
Addition.
Addition. Good job.
Follow our YouTube channel if you want more tips.